Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix credits not refunded after a failed generation on OpenArt. So if your credits are not refunded after a failed generation or a mistake on this platform, this is usually caused by how the system classifies failed renders or a delay imbalance syncing. So these are the credits, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix that. So at first guys, you will need to wait for the delayed refund sync, and that's a very common issue. So in OpenArt, refunds are often not instant, so some failures still take 5 to 30 minutes, and sometimes you must refresh or re-log in to see updates balance. How to re-log in? You will need just to click on your profile picture that's located at the top right corner, and then just go with sign out and sign back to your account. And I really advise you to reload the page from that curved arrow that's located at the top left, right? And that way you will refresh your account's dashboard. And also guys, you will need to check if it was truly failed. So not all failures are refunded. The credits are usually not refunded if the render started but stopped mid-process and the system marked it as completed with error, and you click retry variation automatically and the job partially generated output. So actually guys, you will need to check the history. How so? You will need just to click on your credits right here, or go with your profile icon or profile picture at the top right and go with credit history. So right here where you can check, and you will need to find the status labeled as failed, completed and partial. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.